Hello YouTubers, 2010 Volvo XC60, and we will replace cabin air filter. Considering that this is Volvo, it must be ridiculously difficult, but we'll give it a try. So first we will try to remove this plastic cover. Just pull it from the bottom, get it off. Next we will pull this carpet down, and there's a fuse box cover. And actually, might be not as bad as I expected. So here's the door cover. There are 3 tabs. So let's remove it. Pull out the filter. I'm pleasantly surprised with this Volvo. Usually it takes half a day to replace a filter on this car. Okay, I'll probably need my second hand to get it out, but you got the deal. Okay, I was a little bit too optimistic. We need to remove this cover. It sits just over there, like this, and it's 2 T25 screws, one here and one over there. Then it goes down, and we can unplug the slide, take it off, and hopefully now the filter has more room to come out. Here we go. So here's the new filter, and we need to make sure that there's the arrow pointing towards the cab, so that's the direction of the airflow. So I will get it in. The new filter is all the way in, and I will leave a link in the description to the video where you can get this filter. So next we will latch those hooks on the left of the cover, and I'll make it hinged. So we'll install the left part and then clip. So the door is installed, all in place. Next we will push the carpet back in, install this plastic cover underneath with 2 Torx, put that side panel back in, install the cover for the fuses, and call it done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please check description to the video to get your filter, and as always, just do it yourself.